So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete shapes in Google Slides. So let's say for whatever reason you added a shape to your document. So for this demonstration, I've actually added a blue square to my first page here. So as you can tell, it's a white background with a blue square. If you wanted to delete the square, it's pretty straightforward. So first off, what you can just do to start is you can press on the square, wait till this bottom bar comes up to where it says cut, copy, paste, and delete. You can go ahead and just press on delete, and then it's deleted. But if you wanted to add another shape, so we'll go to the top right, press on add here, press on shape, we'll add a square right here, and then we'll make the square, just so you guys can see it a little bit better, we'll make the square red. Now, if you want to delete it as well, just simply tap on the square and hold it for a couple seconds so the top bar changes. Then you can either press on the scissor icon or the delete icon or the trash icon in the top right. Press on that, and it is done the exact same way. So that's how you guys can delete shapes here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.